This is my subject over here. So you're gonna see, oh, it's even honking. Yeah, this thing is so cool. It goes actually pretty fast. He's kind of like on the limit. It is for ages up to 10, from 3 to 10 and up to 150 pounds. But this thing actually goes pretty fast. I gotta kind of like run a little bit to catch it up. But yeah, this thing is so cool. Okay, so as I was telling before, you have this thing, which is so cool. It has the 6 wheels. So I was selling like up to 150 pounds, ages up to 10. It has a seat belt. So yeah, that one goes first. And then you have so many things. Like this is a honk. That's so cool. And then you can connect it to a Bluetooth.
Connect Bluetooth to play music.
And you can play music with a super cool speaker. It has the pedals over there, as you're gonna see. And then down there, you're gonna find, let me show you, it's gonna have high, low, 2-way direction, 4-way direction, forward and backwards, because this thing also goes backwards. Just like that, super easy. But also, if you don't want them to drive, you have something that is super cool. So then you have a remote controller, which also has a parking mode. So with this parking mode, you make sure that this thing is not gonna move. But then, take a look at this. I'm just doing it with my hands. This is so cool. It goes fast, actually. I hit park, so I'm not just gonna go backwards. And we keep going. And then I'm gonna actually hit forward. This is so cool. Park again. So this thing is not gonna move no matter what. It's not gonna be moving because it's on park now. So again, one more time. This is so much, oh my god, so much fun. Yeah, this thing goes really fast. I love it. He loves it. So for sure, this is gonna be so much fun for them to keep playing. I'm just gonna catch up a little. This is fantastic.